Hey parents, check out the Tilami Rolling Backpack, an 18-inch wheeled backpack designed for boys and girls. It features personalized padded shoulder straps and a convenient padded pocket to make wheeling easier and more fun. The large multi-compartment design includes a main pocket with a laptop and iPad sleeve, plus 3 medium pockets and 2 side pockets for bottles or umbrellas. Its noiseless wheels use high-density materials for smooth, effortless movement wherever your child goes. Perfect as a school backpack or kids' luggage, it suits trips, weekends, and overnight stays. Made with waterproof fabric, it keeps belongings dry in any weather. This backpack is ideal for children aged 4 and up, but not recommended for kids over 5 feet tall. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.